Thank you for everyone tuning in. Like, subscribe, follow, share screen. Hold up. Okay, we're getting that push up. There we go. For you that are just tuning in, we took XRP on this candle. We're trying to snag at least a 1 to 2, right, which is that right there. We're gonna see how it plays out. I'm not sure why the YouTube live shut down. We're in Sui from last night. We're almost at take profit. Now we're just letting it play out. Does anyone have a coin, a stock, a commodity, anything you want me to look at? Anyone? Okay. We're just not having a lot of volume. But hey, it's Monday. So, I mean, this is normal for a Monday. I mean, we did have major news, but nothing's like, moving how it should be. Let's go look at like the SP 500, etc. Gold, if you guys would have taken the gold idea, this thing played out like money. I mean, just printed money on this trade. But I hate to say it, but I personally missed it. I marked it up, but I missed it, man. I'm a little pissed about it. It hit our zone at 3:30 in the morning, so it hit our zone at 3:30 in the morning, but I could have put a limit order, but I really try not putting limit orders, to be honest. They can be good, but they can be bad, So we missed this one, but it's okay. There's plenty more. I mean, your stop loss could have just been there too. It's a 1 to 3. Hasn't fully played out, but I think it will. I mean, I don't know. It wicked down into this and now it's running. But, it's really good to mark things up and either watch it live or mark it up and see, even if you don't take the trade, it's good to see, oh shit, okay, I would have lost this trade or I would have won this trade. And then you can really learn from that, you know what I mean? So, hey man, do you have to put money into your broker to actually get an account with trade? So Queasy, no, you can actually, well, it depends. You can demo trade on anything. So I mainly trade crypto, but I also trade Forex, I trade gold and indices. So what is it you're trying to trade, I should ask? And Queasy, if you're trying to learn how to trade, bro, or anyone that's on here trying to learn how to trade, literally just DM me, bro. And also, of course, follow my TikTok and my YouTube page. Link in the bio for the YouTube page is just All In with Mitch, all one word. I film long content and go live on both. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate that. So if anyone's looking for a really good crypto exchange that you can leverage trade, I got you. DM me for that. I'll send you the link. And the beautiful thing on Blowfin, you can demo trade. So you can really get the hang of how to trade crypto with leverage for free without losing or risking your own money, especially in the beginning. I tell all my students, you always want to start for a few months on a demo account. You do not want to go throw money at something when you haven't even learned the skill set, because these markets will eat you alive. Sure, you might get lucky and hit a trade or so, but you're not ready yet. I'd like to trade Forex and futures. Perfect. Yeah. So if you go, well, I don't want to get a copyright violation. If you go over to TradeLocker, they can set you up on a demo account with them through KOT. There's multiple different brokers using TradeLocker. So if you go to the TradeLocker website, you can then click on somewhere for setting up a broker, but there's something where it says demo trading, and you can set up a demo account pretty much with, every broker has a demo trading. If you want to, just DM me, bro. If you're really wanting to learn how to trade, I got you on that. Like, hands down. I am a part of the biggest education platform there is. As you can see right now, there's Forex is like what I learned how to trade on. These are all educators that are verified. They are 6-7 figure trader investors. They go live every day. There's a full schedule. I met this guy recently in person, but here's his live session. You can also talk to them in the chat box. They answer questions and they trade with you live. You could literally just hop on here and take their trades. It's as simple as that. But the big thing is obviously learning how to trade for yourself. But here's the beautiful part is with this platform, you can take their trades while you're learning. You know what I'm saying? So, but on top of that, you get other really cool AI tools that mark up the market for you. Let me show you just two of them, how they look. So one of them is called Impulse. It's mainly a scalping strategy. That's what this is. It has Forex, it has crypto, commodities, indices, whatever you trade, it's got you covered. This is for Forex right here. And then you got crypto harmonics. Now this thing will mark up harmonic patterns in the market and literally call out trades for you. This one just got called out and it wicked up right to the entry, this green line. And now we're waiting to see if it'll hit take profit 1 and 2. But I can show you an example. A couple days ago, it called out. Oh, this is a new one on Solana. But just a few days ago, it called another one on Solana that ran perfectly. Shit, I can't even. It calls out so many. It calls out so many. Hold on. I gotta find it, to be honest. So here's the Bitcoin trade it called out not too long ago. This thing played out, hit the entry, and here's take profit 1, 2, and 3. And these are just randomly generated every single day. There's something. So it's calling out ADA got hit, so this one would have been a bad trade. This one's playing out already. Called this out right into here, and it's saying to short, take profit 1 and take profit 2. Easy peasy. The Solana one, it just tapped its entry. Let's look at it. I personally don't like. Absolutely, I'm 19, but I need this right here. That's the only thing. Yeah. With trading, man, especially at your age, bro, it's if you start now and just dive deep, bro. Like, I wish someone would have put this in my lap when I was 19. Me myself, I personally made wrong choices when I was younger, hung out with the wrong people, man. It made me who I am today. Like, the bad and the good choices I made in my life, it's also formed me to who I am today. And I can tell my story and tell people what not to do. But it did, I always tell people, like, even in the worst situations in life, you can always find a positive from a negative and vice versa. No matter what, you can always find a positive within a negative situation. And it's crazy if you really sit and think about it and try to figure out something in a really, what you think, a bad situation. But there's always a lesson or something you learn from it that you grow from and you take from it, right? But trading has, I'm about 4 or 5 years into it now. Crypto is, I learned to trade with Forex, but I started with investing with crypto. I actually got I had 1.5 full Bitcoin back in 2017. And that was like my introduction to crypto. And it's a crazy story. Maybe one day I'll have to tell how I got into crypto, but it was by accident. And when that shit shot up in like 2017, I sold. Like, I made, I was up like 5 or 6 grand. It was like 12,000 total, something like that. And I got super excited. I was like, holy shit, like this is crazy. And I sold. It was over 1 full Bitcoin, I know that. But then in 2019, I started buying back in, and I made good money in the 2021 bull run. And that really was what sparked the fire. And then from there on, I started, and I wasn't even looking at charts yet. And then that's when I really got into day trading. And I learned my strategies, learning from trading Forex. But then now I mainly just trade crypto with leverage. I do still trade Forex, but I do really like trading crypto with leverage. I love crypto, bro. But bottom line, bro, Queasy, follow my TikTok, also in the bio, or just go to YouTube and type it in. It's All In with Miss on every platform. On X, YouTube, I'll type it out. X, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So send me a DM. I will send you a link to Blowfin. That's the exchange that you use. And they have demo. I can also send you the link for WeX. And the thing about WeX, I was showing people, the only reason I opened this account was if you just subscribe with your phone number and email, they will literally give you free money to trade with. And they have demo trading. So just send me a DM, bro. I will personally send you a link for my referral for WeX and for Blowfin. They're both crypto exchanges that you can demo trade, and they have leverage. You know what I mean? But when you're trading Forex, you're trading with leverage. That's the same thing. It's just, trading Forex with leverage or crypto. And then, like I was saying just a minute ago, if you go to Trade Locker, you'll be able to do not trade crypto on Trade Locker. Yeah, I'll hit you up after the live. I got you. Yeah, crypto. Do not trade crypto on Trade Locker. No, for sure. Queasy. By the way, man, I go live every day. Go over and follow the YouTube page. I'm really trying to build the followers up on YouTube, and I go live on YouTube. There is a Twitch account, and I am starting a Discord, but I don't go. I'm trying to build the TikTok and YouTube before anything, but let me just show you so you guys can see. All in with Mitch, all one word. Just all in with Mitch, but it's all one word, no spaces. This will be the logo. You see the bull with the all in. Dude, if you guys took this trade with us this morning, well, shit, if you took my Sui idea, this was last night. You guys could have took this trade with me last night, man. I marked up Sui, and look how much it's ran. I mean, it cleared the idea. I took 50%, and now it's still going. I mean, if you guys would have been on my live last night, you could have took this same trade. And then this morning now, we are taking this one. It's not doing the best yet. It's not running just yet. So we're kind of waiting to see. And then Queasy, what I was going to say is, after I send you the link, set your demo account up on Blowfin, hop on my lives every day, and practice. Like you could have practiced taking this trade and just practice. You know what I mean? Like, I call this out. You could have jumped in it just on the demo account and just tried it out. You get what I'm saying? Oh, shit. I didn't mean to send. Sorry, guys. Oops. I did not mean to do that. I sent an invite to someone. I didn't mean to. I did not mean to do that. But, yeah, we are doing, I don't know, XRP's losing its dominance. It's the only reason I'm like, I don't know for sure if we got, I don't know. Okay, there's the green candle on the 5 minute. So I'm still, hello, welcome everyone joining. So I'm still in the Sui trade from last night that I called out with you guys. Okay. And then I called out this morning. I said Bitcoin tapped the green, or broke above the green line, wicked back in, could have took an entry on Bitcoin, but I chose the XRP, played the same way. But I wish I would have took the Bitcoin one so far, because if you go look at the XRP dominance, it is dropping and Bitcoin dominance is rising. So I'm gonna have to do a full detailed video going over the dominance charts, like on just a quick little, just to show you guys. So you can look up the Bitcoin dominance chart and it will show you. So right now, Bitcoin holds 61% of the market. Okay. So when Bitcoin is strong, obviously Bitcoin's going to run over the altcoins. And then you can look at the Ethereum dominance, which right now is at 8%, 8.8%. Solana dominance, XRP dominance, And then you can see the XRP dominance is coming down, meaning, but the other important one is looking at the stable coins, the USDT and USDC. You want the stable coins to be going down on dominance, so then that the money is going from the stable coins to the real coins. You get what I'm saying? You want the money to go into the real coins. You want people to get out of stable coins. So when the market's in fear, which it was for the past, month or so, this was the beginning of March, look how the stable coins the dominance started rallying because the market was dumping and people were pulling profits. When people pulled profits in crypto, the smart people, the people that really trade it for real, that actually move the market, they swap into stable coins instead of, closing their positions and taking the money to their bank account. They just swap to stables and then they wait for a new opportunity. Does that make sense? So that's why the dominance charts are so important, guys. You need to watch the dominance charts because you can see if the money's leaving to the stables or if it's going to Bitcoin or XRP or the others, the DeFi market. You can see where the money's going. And your trades will obviously depend on where the market's going. Like if the Bitcoin dominance is falling, then maybe some altcoins are going to run bigger, or stronger. So the fib, I'm looking at the fib level on the hour from the top to bottom. We just cleared the 2.7. And now, this could be a level of support, but we will see. We will see what it does here. It could bounce off of there. And then is just doing amazing this morning. Yeah, look how it's respecting that fib level already. We'll wait and see, guys. Go over and follow the YouTube page, All In with Mitch. Obviously, follow my TikTok as well. That's a no-brainer, but that way you guys stay updated when I go live. Come over to what's up? Queasy, what's going on, my man? I see you on YouTube. Yes. Follow the YouTube page, follow the TikTok. Because if you go over to the YouTube page, guys, you can just see my full screen on TradingView. So obviously, you're going to get a better view. I got to build up my followers on TikTok so then I can do the TikTok live studio on the computer. But the problem with that is something I didn't know. But when you do the TikTok live studio on the computer, it doesn't give you all the random people joining like it does on mobile, on the phone. It's totally different. It really just sends out your live to your followers, which is fun. So it becomes more like kind of like how Twitch runs. So I need, a really big following base so that if I went live on TikTok Studio, it would just, it would be worth doing. For right now, I need to keep building TikTok, the YouTube, and build up the followers. So then, like even my YouTube live, I need to get more people on there. YouTube's a harder platform, but YouTube does pay more, so that's why it's more of a challenge. But if you can overcome the challenge, you definitely are rewarded. I loved how there's a trader I watch, and he said, like, if you can get people to watch your YouTube videos, like a good amount of people, then you made it in life. Like, you'll be fine. And, I'm literally just trying to help you guys learn how to be financially smart, financially better, learn how to trade, invest, put your money in assets rather than liabilities, and give you guys, skills and education and better mindset. and some free trades. Shit, if you were with me last night, we took Suey way down here. We took this on live on TikTok last night. Oh, no. So it's early and I have people sleeping in the house. It's the only reason. Normally I'm a lot louder. Sorry. I'm just being mindful of people sleeping, my family. My fiance is sleeping next to this room. Yeah. Normally I'm a lot louder, bro. I totally get it though. You got to put more energy into everything. I'm a salesman at heart, so trust me, I can talk. Champion Trades, what's up, my man? So I'm happy you jumped in. So we took Suey yesterday on the live. That obviously already hit the take profit, but I took 50% and I'm letting the other 50% continue to run. I'm letting it continue to run. But let me show you what we took this morning. And you might still get an entry. So on the orb strategy, Bitcoin, I'm just going to move this. Bitcoin, you could have took the orb strategy today on Bitcoin right here. And it's already almost done. You know what I mean? Like just on the breakout. But we took the XRP one. This is what we took. I mean, we took Suey last night. I'm still in that. I don't know if anyone's in that, but today, this morning, we saw the breakout here on the orb, came back, tested it, and we went for it. But unfortunately, I didn't notice until after, but the XRP dominance is actually not super strong this morning. So that's why I was showing you guys the dominance charts with the stable coins, Bitcoin dominance, XRP dominance, DeFi dominance, because it's super important because you can see where the money is, flowing to or going out of. Also, everyone hop over and follow the YouTube page, All In with Mitch, all one word. Super easy to find. I appreciate the follows and likes. I'm just trying to help you guys, man. Hold up. Okay. I trade New York. What time crashes do you trade off? Time frame. Yeah. I trade New York. I start with a daily and a 4 hour perspective. I look at, the trend, what's going on, what's, the overall bias on the higher time frames. I go down the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then the 15-minute is a big one for me. And I'm going to show you. So, I know you're new, I think. I don't think I've seen you. But so lately we've been doing, and if you go over my YouTube, yes, you can. And I can show you how, especially on crypto. So if anyone needs an exchange for crypto, you can demo trade with leverage. DM me. I'll send you the link. But also, if you're really trying to learn how to trade, bro, just DM me, guys. I got you. We'll talk more. But so on the orb strategy, you're looking for the 9:30 Eastern candle. So it marks it up. The red is the bottom, the green's the top of the 9:30 Eastern candle, the New York market open candle. You wait for a breakout above or below, which today XRP broke out above. It came back, retested, and we took the entry here. And now we're waiting for it to play out. So this is honestly an easy strategy. And if you look at Bitcoin, if you were to took it today, look at that. So I use Blowfin. I use Blowfin and WeX. And if you guys send me a DM, I can send you a link. You can also demo trade on them. You can copy trade. You can do I mean, leverage up to 200x, which I don't recommend. That's fucking insane. My top 3 favorite markets for orb. You know what was the Bitcoin was solid. Gold was a little bit different. Remember, this strategy I'm testing out still. It's still new to me. But SP 500 and Bitcoin. Nah, the bull run is yet to finish. We're gonna be just fine. Matter of fact, Trump, I guess they're gonna change the tariffs from April that were going to affect April 2nd. They're gonna change it, and it's gonna be a receptual. It's gonna be a tax instead. And I think this will change a lot of the fear bias. And yeah, I'm really excited to see. I think this is what pumped the market. We got that news yesterday. I didn't see it until later at night when I was laying in bed. I can actually show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. Hold up. Watcher Guru. Here we go. So, SEC to shift focus away from crypto enforcement under new leadership. For cryptos. Hold up. Michael Saylor owns 2.4 of the entire Bitcoin supply. $44 billion. Jesus. Where is it at? Oh, I don't see it on here. And I can't, yesterday I got hit for a violation on TikTok for showing an X account. If you go follow my X account at All In with Mitch, you'll see the post. It's on there. I just posted it last night. So if you guys follow my TikTok and my YouTube, obviously you'll get the daily videos, right? But if you follow my X account, you'll get more like major news events for crypto, shit like that, right? US oil looking good. Let me go check it out for you guys. If you guys have a stock crypto, dude, look at this. You can't make this up. If you would have took the breakout strategy on oil, look how easy that trade played out. Broke out, get in there, boom, done deal. It's too easy, bro. Fuck, dude, it's too easy. The orb strategy works on everything. But let's look at it on the 4-hour. Damn, oil's pumping, huh? Oil's pumping today. So we could be getting in. This is what I see for oil. It broke out of the 0.5 on the fib on the 4-hour. Now I would wait to see if it gets up to the 618, which is 70.11. And then you could possibly, depending if we get at least a little change in direction on the 15-minute and then pop back in, we could get a good short entry like this on US oil. I think this is possible, but we need to, we missed the opportunity for the orb. You could have took this morning. You could have rallied on this shit. You could have killed that. But we missed it. It's a done deal. So now we're breaking above the 0.5 on the fib, which is a very key level. There's a resistance over here. If you look, now we kind of need to see what it does. And we might honestly, there's no entry right now. I would not enter this right now. We might even pull back from here and then go up to here, right? We might pull back to this support and then rally because we have fair value gaps. We have all types of stuff in here. We have imbalance. Oh no, maybe not too much imbalance. Little bit. We do, but we might come down. This is oil. Someone just asked me about oil. I can look at NQ, but if we get down to here, we might come to here and then we get the short. This might be a really good short idea on the 1-hour time frame. This could be a good short, guys. But it hasn't played out yet. We got to wait and see. Oops. Hold up. Let me pull up NQ for you, bro. Let me pull up NQ. I know people love NQ. I'm not honestly a stock trader, but I always tell you guys I'll mark anything up for you. No, this is not fucking NQ. Hold up. Which one is it? Which one is... You guys have to help me here. Which chart is it? This is not... What? Is it... Oh, it's a futures. There it is. Sorry. My bad. Duh. Okay, here's NQ. So, we broke above here, which is a key level of resistance that we broke. Now it turns into support, right? Now, if we fib this, we'd be looking for buys, because let's fib the whole thing. Now, let's zoom down, right? Now, we would want to see if we could get back down to here to possibly continue higher, okay? Up to this level of resistance up here. This is on the 1 hour. Because we're obviously trending higher and higher and higher. We are bullish at this point. We have had a major change in direction as we broke this. When we broke this, we completely are showing that we are bullish. But we are hitting resistance right now. Over here somewhat, right? We are hitting this now. So the question is, can we break above this? This is the next area of interest. So we need to see, there's no entry this minute, but we need to see what it does at this point now. Because now, wait, the fib got messed up. Hold up. Boom. Okay. Now we need to see. I mean, that looks, if we can get back into this, what was resistance, but now support zone, this would be pretty good. This is a key level now, the 382. Actually, that would be better if we could get down to like the 382 right there and then continue up. This is what I want to see. But if we go down to the 15-minute, look at the breakout strategy. Oh, yeah. I mean, look at the orb strategy, guys. Look at this. So I know at first it broke below, and that technically would have gave you a short idea on the orb. But then a second idea when it broke out at 10 a.m. on Friday. Dude, if you went long on the breakout above this, I mean, dude, you would still be all the way up there if you took it that far. Boom. If you were to took the breakout, this thing would have rallied. Boom. Easy trade. And even on the orb when it broke below, you could have broke down to the 5-minute, found a little candle, and you could have took a short. There's 2 entries on that orb strat on that day for the orb. Isn't that crazy? You could have took the quick scalp on the bottom and then took the long when it broke out both directions. This is NQ, by the way. And then now we're looking at Bitcoin because it just broke out of the orb today. See that? And we're riding. Shit. Unfortunately, we took the XRP breakout, and I mean, it's respecting the green line. We're not obviously out of the water yet, but let me check out SUI, because I'm in SUI. I might have to just close the SUI idea. Obviously, the money's flowing to Bitcoin today. Obviously, we should have took the orb breakout on. We should have took the orb breakout on Bitcoin rather than XRP, but it's okay. Let's just see how this plays out. It's not looking great though. By the way, I do got to get going really soon. Not this second. I want to watch and see what this next candle does. Let's see if it respects the orb. Remember, it needs to be a full close below, not just wick. But we could get a bounce off the orb green line. We're going to wait and see. Thank you for everyone tuning in. Please follow, like, subscribe the TikTok page, but also the YouTube page, All In with Mitch, all one word. You get more long content. Someone subscribe. We got one new follower. I appreciate it. I think it was DeQueezy or Queasy on here. I think that's who followed. I appreciate it. Hold on one sec. Hold on one second, guys. Hold on. So we don't have a candle break. We're going to have to wait and see. I appreciate it, Monkey Master. I appreciate it. And if anyone's trying to really dive deep and learn how to trade, I'm a part of the biggest education platform there is. Hands down, no question about it. And we do Forex, stocks, and crypto. You have a live schedule with all these 6-7 figure educators in the trading and investing space for Forex, crypto, and stocks. They remember this though. They are audited every quarter. If they do not maintain a solid win rate, they get booted. This is the biggest education and the realest education platform you can get. All these dudes on YouTube selling these bullshit courses on Discord for $1,000 is ridiculous. I mean, why would you? This is 10 times cheaper and actually valid and real. This is as good as it gets. And you tend to figure out who you like the most, also based on your schedule or whatnot. But it doesn't even matter, because even if you miss the live session, they got the recordings, and then they have their favorite sessions, their boot camps, 1-by-1 videos. You know what I mean? This is one of my favorite educators. This is who I learned to trade from. big time learned how to trade from. Some other people too on the platform, but this was one of the biggest ones that I learned from. Yeah, if you're really trying to learn how to trade, like for real, obviously follow my TikTok and YouTube. It's free content that I'm going to continue to post on and build more and more on. But if you really want to dive on a deeper level, just DM me. Also, if you're looking for a crypto exchange that's solid with leverage and demo trading, DM me. I'll send you the link to the exchange Blowfin that I use, or WeX. And WeX does have a sign up bonus. You get free money to trade with just for signing up with your email and phone number. And it's regulated in the US. So it's a no-brainer. I mean, it's literally free money. Also, go follow the X and YouTube page. So XRP is not doing what we want it to. We're not down bad or anything, but it's definitely no longer in the green. Well, on here it's in the green on Bitfunded, only because we had a lower entry from yesterday. And then on WeX, okay, we're printing a green candle. We're okay. We'll see what happens. WeX, we're also up but I did stack the position and take another one. We're going to move our stop loss to here. Maybe just a little below that. I got high hopes. I think we're going to be okay on XRP. We're going to wait and see. But everyone, I got to get going, unfortunately. I will be going live later today. I do have a business outside of here selling cars, and I got to go handle some stuff. I do got to go handle some stuff. I appreciate you guys, and I will be coming back on and going live again. I mean, honestly, man, we've been going live like 2 times a day, and I'm going to keep it like that. I really, really, really appreciate you guys, and I appreciate all the follows, the likes, the comments. I love talking with you guys. If you guys really want to learn how to trade more, just DM me. If you're looking for a crypto exchange that has even demo trading too, DM me. No matter what, just DM me, man. I always respond. I have a bunch of messages to get to today and Zoom calls to line up to get some people started on the education part to really learn how to trade. But I promise I will get back to you today. Okay, XRP is looking good. That is what we want to see. That's what we want to see, guys. This looks good. Sui's looking good still. Okay. All right, guys. I got to get going. Appreciate y'all. Have a great day. All right. Everyone on YouTube, have a great day. All right. Boom.